That fucking Jesus, man. Damn. How long have you been racing?
Wait, hold on.
Okay. Get it?
There we go.
Oh.
Wild out there.
Yeah, man. Oh.
Oh, no. They're hooked
Stuck.
up.
Oh, man. Oh, almost missed that jump.
Cool. That's good. We'll be in the same class as we did after cool. Now I'm really going to get one. I was thinking about it.
That almost sounded like it had a stock motor. That slash.
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
Oh, look at that.
Picking up bait?
Wow. Good job.
No, my $5. That's the only $5? Huh? What's the only $5?
Beating you. That's what I mean about the store truck. That's pretty damn well.
No, that has a brush. That one has a brush, so they're not going to stop.
Going for it.
Oh, it's that one. Hell, they're launching cars at us. One lands in your lap.
Oh, he got taken out again.
I think somebody's taking target practice at the camera.
I know.
Or the cameraman.
That's what I'm saying. It's going to land in your lap.
Maybe it's the orange jacket again.
Yeah.
I need to turn it off.
No, I'm not a cone.
Human cone. A little bit of a head-on collision there. Man, Rick's doing so well, I can't even keep up with him.
Oh. I wonder if he's in second. You know, Jack is in first.
What color truck is Jack
Right.
on?
Right there. He just went past.
Hold on.
Oh.
Want to grab it? Not you. Somebody. Looks like my arm's gonna fall off.
Oh, Kevin. Cut off.
Oh, that was just wrong.
Got taken out.
Hope I got the right car here.
Uh-huh. That was a quick turn. I thought he was going to take the corner out right there.
Is that Jack?
Yeah, the white one's Jack.
Jack smash just came right and landed right in front of
Jenkins.
Rick.
Yeah.
Oh! It's okay. This is the first time Rick's run this car.
Yeah,
So.
with that car. Skim a little bit.
The Sunshine Muffin Buns running the orange car?
I have no idea. Muffin buns.
That's what his name is.
Really? Oh, car! Wow.
Yep, I think Rick's in third.
He's in third?
Yeah, I think Jackson first. Sunshine Muffin Buns is in second. Although Rick looks like he's catching up to him.
Sure does a good turn right there.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish I was that good.
Well, Rick is now in second.
Is he?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh.
Yep, Rick's now in second.
How long have you been racing?
On and off for 12 years.
Yeah. Yeah, the racing is new to me.
When I first started racing my first year, I raced pretty heavily for the first 3 years.
Did you?
Every weekend.
Yeah, I haven't even